Hi friends, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel Surabhi Multi Creations. Today I am showing Santoshi Mata Puja and arrange. Please watch this. Don't skip. I put the design on Mata Rani place on cloth with rice flour and turmeric powder, kumkum. Next, I put a blob and flowers on Sri Santoshi Mata photo. I put a blob and flowers on Ganapati idol. Next, I put a small chunni on Mata Rani photo. I put flower on the Santoshi Mata photo. Next, I ready the lamps. That's mean Dipali. I put the pots of God favorite leaves. Should be put it prasad, chana and jaggery. I made it arrange the flowers. Next, now let's worship Ganapati with 108 names. Now we have to Harati to Ganapati. Now let's worship Jai Santoshi Mata with 108 names. Now list to the story. Now we have to offer Harati to Santoshi Mata. Let us pray to Santoshi Mata to bless everyone. Completed the puja. I hope like this video. Support our channel. Please like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.